What's the best way to mount and dismount the front of a Vionaro V8 correctly? Before we start, everything I show in this video is relevant to 3 drawer heights: 72, 89 and 121. I'm using an 89 drawer for the video. There are videos for the other versions linked in the info box below. To remove the front, open the drawer as far as it'll go. There are levers like this on the underside of the drawer side. Pull both of them towards you at the same time. This results in a slight gap between the front and the drawer side. And now, it's very, very important to make sure that the gap that's created here is really even and parallel, as is definitely the case here. One side always comes out further than the other. Here, I can simply pull the right side a bit further so that the gap is really straight and parallel. Now, I go to these same levers again and release the front completely. I can now put my hands on the sides of the front and remove the front altogether. And the good thing about this is that even if I'm dealing with extremely wide drawers, I already know for certain that I can grab the sides of a wide front, 1.2 meters for example, and remove the drawer and/or the front. Okay, so to mount the front again, you need to push the drawer back in. Insert the front connection pieces into the drawer side, here on both sides, and then you can simply push the front onto the drawer so that it's fully closed. Open the drawer again and press on the left and right sides if necessary. And that's it. You've dismounted and mounted the front correctly. You can find more useful links in the info box below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell. I wish you every success in your projects. Take care.